I'm Bridget Luther. I'm here at Sustainable Brands. I want to talk about the next step because I've got a lot of great examples on how to get there. Innovation is great as long as we frame it correctly. I mean, you've got to be innovating for the right things. So that's where I think sustainability comes first. What are we trying to create where the world actually gets better? So it's actually even beyond sustainability. And that's what we talk about at Cradle to Cradle and the Cradle Design, and especially at the Cradle to Cradle Products Innovation Institute, because we're all about manufacturing. So what can manufacturers do to innovate and create a better world? The certification process is a continuous improvement. You start at basic, where are we? And then you start innovating up that food chain on better materials and better processes. And some of the interesting things we've seen is where some of these material substitutes get really interesting because they'll take something they didn't know was toxic and they'll actually put in a non-toxic substitute and they will save money. That's the interesting thing. You start to save money on this. Some of the great examples are this wonderful company called Wet Green, and they've actually figured out how to tan leather using discarded olive leaves. You think about how toxic the tanning process is, and here's this company that's done this amazing innovation where they're taking these olive leaves and making leather that's soft and subtle. It's even being used in the BMW right now. The other innovating things we're seeing is on this whole process piece where how do we design a take-back system? And so we've got a nice partnership in our Fashion Positive around textiles. We're actually getting textiles back, and there are companies out there that are trying to figure out how to take that t-shirt and make it into another t-shirt, all through this driver of taking stuff back, keeping in that circular way, and really pushing that out.